Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to automatically delete subform records when the corresponding record is deleted in the parent form. We'll demonstrate this using a sample order management app. This is the order form used to collect new order entries. The line items form acts as a subform within this form, allowing us to add product details. When an order is placed in the order form, the All Orders report displays all the order details, while the All Line Items report shows only the products ordered corresponding to the subform records. However, when editing an order and deleting a product, the product record is removed from the order form, but the corresponding record in the All Line Items report remains. This results in unnecessary record retention within the app. To resolve this, we need to create a configuration to automatically delete the subform record in the All Line Items report when it is deleted in the All Orders report. To do that, let's begin by adding a lookup field from the child form, line items, to the parent form order. Access the editor and open the form builder. Drag and drop the lookup field from the Advanced Field section. Choose the order form and choose the ID field. The option to enable the bidirectional data sync will be displayed, as a relationship already exists to the order form. Enable and select the existing relation where the line items form acts as the items subform within the order form, and click Done. Give it a name and click Done. This configuration ensures that whenever a record is added through the order form, the lookup field temp is automatically populated. Consequently, when a record is deleted from the item subform, the temp field becomes null, indicating the deletion of the relationship for that particular record. The next step is to define a deluge script that deletes the record in the line items form when the temp field is null. From the editor, access the workflow section and proceed to create a workflow. Choose the order form and set the workflow to run when the record is edited. The workflow should be triggered on form submission to delete the record. Give a name and proceed to create the workflow. Click on Add New Action and choose Deluge Script. The logic is to delete the specific subform record in the line items form when the same record is deleted from the item subform in the order form. Type: delete from line items. Temp equals null. This code deletes the record from the line items form if the temp storage field is null. Based on our previous configuration, the temp field becomes empty when a row is deleted from the item subform in the order form. Consequently, this script deletes the corresponding row in the parent line items form. Let's test our configuration using a sample order from the All Orders report, containing 1 refrigerator, 2 ovens, and 1 heater. The All Line Items report shows the same records. When a product is deleted from the order form and the form is submitted, the corresponding record is automatically removed from the line items form. The requirement is successfully met, and this method can be applied to automatically delete subform records in a child form when their corresponding rows are deleted in the parent form. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.